What's going on, everyone? Chris Jarzyk, your Southwest Florida Realtor with MVP Realty, coming to you from Oak Creek, a Del Webb retirement community here in North Fort Myers, Florida. This community is going to be 943 homes, spanned over 475 total acres. That includes 96 acres of nature preserve, 86 acres of lake, 6 acres of amenity complexes, natural gas, and much more included. I just sat with the sales reps. They gave me a ton of information. If you would like that information, feel free to click the link in the description box below, or if you want to talk about the community in person, feel free to shoot me a text or give me a call. My number is 239-823-1685. I'm going to also do some home tours of the models that are here, so stay tuned. I might put them in a playlist, but again, if you need more information, feel free. Click the link in the description box below, or give me a call, shoot me a text, 239-823-1685.